is our Play-Doh video Ben wanted to make. What are those you're making?
Fissies.
Yeah. Should you put more Play-Doh in those?
No.
You can fill them up with a lot of Play-Doh. And then you squeeze it together.
Like.
And it makes the mold.
Then you take it out.
Yeah, so do big pieces, not little pieces.
Okay.
Yeah, look at this.
Like this.
Like that, look at that.
How about this way?
That one works too.
That's a big paper.
Nice.
Right there.
Now, put that one on there and put them together.
Yeah. But so, it's like that.
Wow, so cool. And you can use the scissors to cut them out. Are these scissors?
Mm-hmm.
They cut the Play-Doh?
Scissors.
Really?
Yep.
How do they work? Pull this out?
Yeah, pull it out.
Pull it out, and then cut it up.
Then you can good.
Oh yeah, eventually? Do it in the camera, I can't see you cutting. By your head. Alright. That's pretty cool. We're about to run out of video though.
Yeah.
We'll have to make another one.